Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about this Apple Pencil nib cover. It does exactly what its name suggests. It covers your Apple Pencil nib so that you don't wear it out during the everyday usage. But how well does it work? Let's find out. Let's first talk about the good side. These covers are dirt cheap. The one I purchased is the highest rated one on Amazon, and it cost only $9 to get 40 of them. That's gonna last quite a while. Another good thing I noticed is that these nib covers are very soft. So when you're writing, your pencil will not make as much noise every time when the pencil nib hits the screen. Let me demonstrate this to you. I will first write with the nib cover on. And now I will take the cover off and write again. Hope you can hear the difference. Now to the downside. This nib cover really makes the Apple Pencil nib much thicker. We all know that Apple Pencil nib is already on the thick side comparing to other stylus. And look at this, how much thicker this cover is comparing to the Apple Pencil original nib. And this extra thickness really makes the writing experience unenjoyable. It's like my mind is constantly shouting, "Dude, sharpen your pencil." And that's just annoying, and it feels weird when you're writing with the nib on. And to be fair, I didn't just give those comments after 5 minutes of using this. I have actually forced myself to use this nib cover for 3 straight days before I come to the conclusion. Also, this nib cover, when you have it on and write with it, it sometimes feels the pen tip is not so sturdy. It's like it's wiggling a little bit, which also is a little annoying. And yes, I have made sure this cover is pushed all the way on. But still, the wiggling is sometimes still noticeable. Based on all the pros and cons, I personally would not recommend this Apple Pencil nib cover solution. I am a medium, probably a little heavy Apple Pencil user. I do journaling every day, and I use this new beta scribble function all the time. I also occasionally take notes with Apple Pencil. And after 2 months of usage, I really don't see much obvious wearing on my Apple Pencil nib. I'm pretty sure this Apple Pencil nib will last me at least 6 months. So in a year, I will use less than 2 Apple Pencil nibs. And these Apple Pencil nibs are really not so expensive. For $19, you can get 4 of them. That means each year, I will just use less than $10 of Apple Pencil nibs, which is really not so bad. Remember, we have spent a significant amount of money just to get the iPad and the Apple Pencil. So I really don't think it's worth it to mar the first-class inking experience into a mediocre one just for the sake of several bucks. Of course, this is based on my situation. Apple Pencil nib wearing is heavily depending on what kind of screen protector you are using. The one I use is a matte screen protector with very limited surface roughness. I've talked about this in another video of mine here. And I do know there's this type of paper feel screen protectors out there. Some of them went too far and created this sandpaper feel, which really wears out your nib. So if your Apple Pencil nib is wearing out super fast, you have to change it every 1 to 2 months, then well, I still won't recommend the nip cover solution. Instead, I would recommend to take a look of other different screen protectors. Alright, if you want to watch more interesting videos about Apple Pencil, iPad, or general tech products, please subscribe my channel. And I'll see you next time.